Side is a town on the southern Mediterranean coast inside of the Antalya province in Turkey. The ancient port city is known for its long beaches and Greco-Roman ruins. Archaeological sites are sprinkled throughout the open-air museum that Side calls itself. Side is an extraordinary example of living inside of history. Side is a 2,000-year-old Roman settlement, history, time. Everything has a different way of working here because you can actually see the evolution of cultures that have come together to build new cultures. This gate is still the only entrance into the city, and as you can see, cars and pedestrians are all using this gate to enter this colossally huge theater, ruins, baths, temples, everything you could possibly imagine inside of an ancient city, they are all here. The theater in Side is one of the largest theaters in Anatolia. It has a 17,000 spectator capacity. The construction of it is very interesting because Side didn't have any hillsides to hollow out. Instead, they had to build it very much like the Colosseum in Rome. The stage here was used for many theatrical events, but also the area that I'm in here now was where the gladiators are known to have fought lions. This theater has a huge history. It's been a theater, it's been a church, and now it's a museum for all of us to enjoy in Side. Apollo's temple is one of the most iconic temples in all of Anatolia. It's definitely one of the most photographed. At night, when the sun is setting, this becomes a place that will take your breath away. There'll be lots of people because everybody who comes to this area wants to come and see the sunset here. It's magic. I'm walking on history now.
Yeah, exactly.
And this is a carpet store, which makes it even more iconic. How many years? This is like 2,000 years old.
Approximately, maybe over 1,500 years old.
And this entire city is built on top of another city that's 2,000 years old.
Exactly. That's why we are saying we are here in Side, like open air museum.
But people
and living history.
But people have been living here for that long, on top of.
Yes, exactly.
I mean, layers of history that are just coming.
Yeah.
Wow. Side is a place where you can live in history, only in Turkey.